Hello everyone, so let's start our practice about how to use AutoCAD by drawing several samples details. So let's start by pressing start drawing. So in this video lesson we will start drawing the samples from the file drawings number 4 PDF. So as you can see, here is like two files, one file and two details to draw. So we will start from the first one. So now also I want to use the same strategy, so I will put the sample file on the left side of our workplace. On the right side I will draw our detail. So before dropping the PDF file to workplace, I want to put the biggest dimension from the file. As you can see, it's like biggest one is 120 millimeters. Let's put it. So in this case I want to use the ortho mode. It's located here. You can just press this one, or you can press like F8 button on the keyboard. I will just click from here and then ortho mode on, as you can see. Now I need to put 120 millimeters. So as you can see, it's quite small, so I will put it to left side our workplace here. Done. I think it's normal. So now I can just drop the file to left side. First it asks the number of page, the first one of course, starting point of our file. So I will press the bottom left side of our workspace. So I think this size is normal, and then I will just press enter for rotation. So as you can see, the size is quite similar. So first of all, look carefully to the drawing, and then we can put the same drawing to left side. So I will start building the rectangle first, and then just trim these two sides, and then I will build these two circles. So let me start. I will use like rectangle option, rectangle tool. So here, as you can see here, vertical size of our rectangle will be 44 plus 33, so it will be 77. The horizontal side will be like 120. So let's start. So first we need to put horizontal side 120, and then you need to press keyboard tab, and then we need to put here like 77. Oh, sorry, 120 and 77. Enter. Done. So now I want to trim these two sides first, and then I want to build these circles, as I said. So here is you can see the size of this side is like 33 vertical and 33 horizontal. So I need to trim this side. In this case I will use the option, I will just here build another square rectangle, and then I will trim extra lines. Let me do this. Okay, here. So now I can start building square from here. First of all, horizontal side 33 and vertical side also 33. Done. Now I can just choose the line tool, and then just connect these 2 points. Done. Now I can just select the unnecessary square, just delete, and then I need to use trim tool to trim this side. Done. Now we need to build this side of our sample. So as you can see, the distance between distance of like vertical side is 44, so, and from horizontal side is 45. So what will we do here now? We can just, there is no like dimension of angle, so we need to calculate mathematically, and then we need to decide how to trim this side. So I will start from this side. As you can see, this dimension and this dimension is same, so we need, the vertical side is like 33 millimeters, but we need to calculate this side. How we will calculate, as you know, so 33 plus 45, it will be 78. So we need to reduce this from 120. So as I mentioned last lessons, you can just use like quick calc when you don't have a mood to calculate on your head, in your head. So you can just put minus 78, enter, like 42. As you can see, we will build another rectangle here, which is located 45 millimeters far from this point, and then we will build our rectangle here. Let me do this. So I will choose the rectangle tool, and then to find this point, I will use our option temporary track point. I think you know how to use it. If you don't know how to use it, I will repeat it. You can just press Control button on your keyboard, and then you can need to click your right click of your mouse. Now I want to choose temporary track point. Okay, so now I will choose this point. I will go left, as you can see, and then I will type 45 millimeters here, and I will press enter. So now I can start the building rectangle from necessary point. I started. As we mentioned, horizontal side of our rectangle will be 42 millimeters, and then vertical side will be 33 millimeters. Enter, done. So we need to choose line 2, and then just connect these 2 points. Done. Now we will delete extra rectangle, and then we need to trim these extra lines like this. Done. So here now what we need to do is like to building these 2 circles. So as you can see, the center of this circle is located far from this corner. Vertical dimension is 36 and horizontal dimension also 36. So now we can build here like one helpful square here, and then we need to choose the center of this circle, and we will build this circle here. Okay, let me do this. So I will choose a rectangle tool. Now we will start building a rectangle from here, so it will be square rectangle. So as you know, the horizontal side and vertical side are same, 36 millimeters. I will put 36. I will press tab, and then 36. Now I can press enter. Done. As you can see, we already find the center of our big circle. So as you can see, the diameter of our circle is 36 millimeters. Let's build it. 36 millimeters. Now it asks the radius of our circle, so it will be 16 millimeters. Done. Now we can delete extra rectangle from here. Done. So now we need to build our the smaller circle from here. As you can see, the center of our circle is located 84 millimeters horizontal side of this corner, and then vertical The distance is 20 millimeters. Look, what I want to do is I will use the line tool to build this line, like 20 millimeters line, and then after this I can find the center of this circle. Before that I need to build this line. I need to start the building this line 84 millimeters far from this corner. Let me do this. Okay, in this case now I want to use this option again, temporary track option. Done. I need to choose this place. I will go right and I will type here like 84 millimeters. Done. Here I need to put 20 millimeters to up. Done. So here it will be the end of this line will be the center of our smaller circle. So let's do this. The diameter is like 20 millimeters. If you want to put on radius, you can put just 10 millimeters. If you want to use diameter option, you can just press D and then enter. Now it asks building circle with diameters. We can put 20. Done. We can delete extra line from here. So now we need to decorate our drawing with dimensions and some center marks. I will put center marks, and I think you all know how to put dimensions, so we will finish the drawing. So to decorate it, let me put 2 center marks from here, so it looks a little bit nice. So now you can put the dimensions from here, and then the first drawing will be finished. Thank you for attention.